And now, preview time.
Evening all. Wonder how long it's going to be while I can still chat to you all and be suppressed while only a few people can hear what I'm saying. I wonder. Anyway, I'm just having a look at this bit of river here. Yeah. And I'm looking. Right. And bear in mind you've got the actor River Phoenix, right? And a phoenix is a firebird that rises from the ashes of destruction. In the New Age, like go and look up what it says about phoenixes and firebirds. So you've got your river and your bird. You've got your canary wharf. You've got your dog and bird code, like your dog and duck. I did the dog and bird code to death ages ago. Right. I did it ages ago. The bird dog thing. And the hunting thing with the bird and the dog. And there's often a dog present if there's a bird present. I did plenty of videos on it, right? So you've got your canary wharf, right, which is not only your bird, but it's your CW 33, right? And then this side you've got your fucking Battersea dog's home with the dog, right? So you've got the bird and the dog, you've got the serpentine, you've got the horseshoe thing going on. And they've coloured it red, look. Can you see how they've coloured it red? And you know what I'm going to say next, don't you? I showed you a picture. I don't know if it was in this video. Let's just see if it is. I think it is actually. It should be handy if it is. Let me just find it. Maybe it's a bit further on here. No, but it showed Canary Wharf with a clock on the flyer. Alright, let me just try and find it here. It's on one of these other videos, obviously. It'll probably be on that one, perhaps. No, it's not there. Yeah, this is the one it's on, right. Canary Wharf with the clock. The time. Yeah. The countdown. The final countdown. Alright, and look what you've got, and that is made of water. That's like a canal inlet thing right in the middle of it, which is just going to help everything merge across that red area there, isn't it? Do you see what I'm getting? If you're in this area, I'd also be concerned because there's going to be a lot coming down there. Alright, I wouldn't want to be here either. But can you see that? It's the countdown. Canary Wharf, go. You see that? Fucking stop on it, you bastard. It's winding me up now. Stop, go, red, Canary Wharf. The Green Witch. The Serpentine. Yeah, got all the water that's already there. Look at your clock. In a bit.
Let the games begin.